7 wild custom hot rods that blew our minds. Hey gearheads, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of custom hot rods that go beyond anything you've seen before. These aren't your average weekend builds. These are mechanical masterpieces with outrageous design, insane power, and serious attitude. From vintage bodies with modern hearts to wild engineering feats that leave us speechless, get ready to meet 7 hot rods that blew our minds. Let's get started. 7. The Blastolene Special, aka Jay Leno's tank car. The Blastolene Special is one of the most jaw-dropping hot rods ever built. Powered by a 29-liter V12 tank engine from an M47 patent tank, it's a rolling piece of madness. This beast makes around 1,600 lb-ft of torque and weighs over 9,000 pounds. Built by artist and fabricator Randy Grubb, it was never meant to be practical. It was meant to be outrageous. The body is hand-formed aluminum, and it stretches over 20 feet long. Jay Leno bought the car and added fuel injection and twin turbochargers. The final result is part war machine, part showpiece. Despite its size, it can still roast tires and make jaws drop at car shows. The exposed suspension and massive frame give it a steampunk vibe. It's as much art as it is engineering. Inside, it's surprisingly elegant, with quilted leather and airplane-style gauges. There's no roof, no air conditioning, and definitely no subtlety. The engine note is deep, angry, and unforgettable. The tank car isn't just a hot rod, it's a monument to mechanical excess. It breaks every rule of what a car should be. Leno drives it on the street, which is both insane and awesome. Wherever it goes, it draws crowds like a magnet. It's living proof that hot rods can be more than fast. They can be legendary. 6. The Beast, 1968 Dodge Charger Hellacious. Built by Speedcore, the Hellacious Charger was custom-made for the Fast and Furious franchise. It's a mid-engine 1968 Dodge Charger, powered by a 707-horsepower Hellcat engine. The engine placement alone breaks all the rules. It sits right behind the seats. It has a tube chassis and carbon fiber body panels, making it incredibly light and agile. The exhaust exits from the rear bumper and sounds like thunder on demand. Inside, it's all business with racing seats, a minimal dash, and a race-style shifter. It was designed to look menacing, and it does. Matte black paint, wide tires, and aggressive styling make it a true movie star. But it's not just for show. It can hold its own on a track. The mid-engine layout gives it supercar-like balance. Speedcore is known for top-tier craftsmanship, and this build proves it. It's part hot rod, part supercar, and all attitude. Seeing a vintage muscle car with this level of modern engineering is wild. It rewrites what a classic car can be. No one expects a '68 Charger to handle corners like a Ferrari. But Hellacious isn't about expectations. It's about shock and awe. It's one of the most daring hot rod builds of the decade. And it looks like something out of a Mad Max and Batman combined. 5. The Double Trouble. Ford model. T hot rod. Double Trouble is a twin-engine, twin-supercharged monster that looks like it was built in a mad scientist's lab. Based on a 1927 Ford Model T, it features 2 V8 engines mounted side by side. Each engine has its own supercharger, delivering over 1,200 combined horsepower. It's a mechanical freak show, and that's exactly the point. The exposed engines, massive rear tires, and low-slung stance scream chaos. Built by Hot Rod Chassis and Cycle, this car is pure overkill in the best way. There's no hood, just raw, rumbling metal. The frame is custom fabricated to hold all that weight and power. The exhaust pipes shoot flames when revved. The interior is minimal, with bucket seats and a custom dash. The paint job is a deep, glossy black that makes the chrome pop. It looks like something out of a comic book. The dual superchargers sit like crowns on top of each engine. It's not the most practical hot rod, but it might be the wildest. Driving it is a test of courage more than comfort. Double Trouble is hot rodding, without limits or logic. It's all about creating the most visually insane machine possible. And in that mission, it succeeds spectacularly. 4. 1934 Ford Iron Orchid by Galpin Autosports. Iron Orchid is a blend of vintage style and radical customization. Built by Galpin Autosports and designed by Dave Schutine, it's a 34 Ford Coupe with unmistakable flair. The body is chopped and sectioned for that ultra-low hot rod stance. It features wild, hand-painted pinstripes and tons of chrome. Under the hood is a 392 Hemi with old-school velocity stacks. The engine bay looks like a time machine to the 60s. Everything is painted, polished, or plated to perfection. The roofline is so low, you almost have to crouch to see inside. The interior is done in white leather with retro patterns and polished trim. It even has vintage bubble gauges and a chain-link steering wheel. The car sits on custom-made wheels wrapped in white walls. It debuted at the Grand National Roadster show and won major awards. Despite its show car looks, it actually runs and drives. The engine roars to life with a healthy rumble and crackle. Iron Orchid is a rolling tribute to the glory days of custom hot rods. Every inch is dripping with character and craftsmanship. It's not about speed, it's about soul. And few hot rods have more soul than this. 3. 1954 Buick Buick by Rad Rides by Troy. Buick takes a forgotten 50s cruiser and turns it into a modern muscle masterpiece. Built by Troy Trepanier and his team at Rad Rides by Troy, it's a 1954 Buick Special like no other. The body has been chopped, shaved, and smoothed to perfection. Under the hood sits a modern twin-turbocharged V8, delivering over 1,000 horsepower. The car rides on a fully custom chassis with air suspension. It can drop to the ground or raise up for driving with the push of a button. The wheels are huge but period-correct in style, keeping the vintage vibe. The interior mixes retro luxury with digital gauges and high-end materials. Chrome is everywhere, but so is carbon fiber. The paint is a deep candy burgundy with ghosted graphics. Buick looks like it came from an alternate universe where hot rods and luxury cars collided. It's quiet when cruising, but brutal under throttle. The engineering is top tier, but the look stays true to classic form. It won numerous awards and appeared in multiple magazines. The custom touches are subtle but endless. The more you look, the more you discover. It's a perfect fusion of show, go, and wow. 2. The Maximus, 1968 Dodge Charger. Maximus is a 1968 Charger rebuilt from the ground up to be a luxury muscle hot rod. It took over 16,000 hours to build and features a twin-turbo 9.4-liter Hemi 5.8 producing 2,000 horsepower. It was built by Nelson Racing Engines and Scott Spock Racing, blending extreme power with elegant design. The body is stretched and smoothed, but retains the classic Charger lines. Every part is custom fabricated, including the suspension, frame, and drivetrain. Inside is full luxury: leather, Alcantara, touchscreen controls, and climate control. It's a show car, a track car, and a highway cruiser, all in one. The car was even featured in the Furious 7 movie franchise. The turbochargers sit under the rear of the car for a clean engine bay. It's street legal, but faster than most race cars. It rides on a custom suspension with adjustable coilovers. The exhaust system is fully hidden for a sleek underbody. Maximus isn't just a hot rod. It's a hypercar disguised as a muscle machine. It redefines what a Charger can be. It's a masterclass in design and engineering. The twin-turbo Hemi sounds like a jet engine at full boost. And when you open the throttle, it launches like a rocket. Maximus is muscle car insanity, dialed up to 11. 1. Fordzilla. 1932 Ford Highboy Roadster. Fordzilla is the definition of an old-school rod with new-school firepower. Based on a 1932 Ford Highboy Roadster, it's as classic as it gets, until you look under the skin. Built by Hollywood Hot Rods, it features a blown Ford Coyote V8 making over 900 horsepower. The entire car is hand-built, with a riveted aluminum body inspired by T-2 fighter planes. The bare metal look isn't paint. It's polished and sealed for raw industrial beauty. The wheels are machined aluminum with period-style spokes. It has no roof, no side windows, and minimal comforts. But that's the charm. Fordzilla is about pure, unfiltered driving. The suspension is fully independent, giving it surprising agility. The cockpit is tight, but the custom gauges and aluminum finishes feel high-end. The sound is deafening, and the throttle response is razor-sharp. It's a hot rod that merges tradition with technology. The stance is aggressive, with huge rear tires and a raked body. Fordzilla looks fast even when parked. It's won awards and magazine covers around the world. It's a reminder that the 32 Ford is still the king of the hot rod world. But this version? It's the king with a rocket strapped to its back. And there you have it, 7 custom hot rods that blew our minds. These machines prove that hot rodding isn't just about power. It's about imagination, craftsmanship, and pushing limits. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments, hit that like button, and be sure to subscribe for more insane builds and automotive legends. Until next time, stay wild and keep those engines roaring.